Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
In this engaging conversation between Sophia and Gabriel at Space Bank, we witness the beginning of a journey towards realizing Sophia's dream of renovating her home. Sophia, seeking financial assistance, is met with Gabriel's warm welcome and expertise in loan services. As they delve into the specifics of Sophia's renovation project, a partnership rooted in trust and mutual support begins to blossom.
Good morning. I'm Sophia. I'm here to inquire about a loan. Can you assist me?
Good morning, Sophia. I'm Gabriel. Pleasure to meet you. Certainly, I'm here to help.
So, about the loan. I've heard great things about the loan services here at Space Bank. My friend had a positive experience.
Yes, our bank prides itself on offering competitive loan products tailored to our customers' needs. What type of loan are you interested in?
Well, I'm considering a personal loan for a home renovation project. I've been researching different options.
That's a common reason for seeking a personal loan. Have you estimated the amount you'll need for your renovation?
Yes, I've done some calculations. I think around $30,000 would cover all the expenses comfortably.
$30,000 sounds like a reasonable amount. Have you considered how long you'll need to repay the loan?
I'm thinking about a repayment period of 5 years. That should give me enough time to manage the monthly payments without strain.
That's a prudent approach. A 5-year term would spread out the repayments evenly. Do you have any collateral to offer for the loan?
Unfortunately, I don't have any assets to offer as collateral. I was hoping to apply for an unsecured personal loan.
That's understandable. Many borrowers opt for unsecured loans, especially for smaller amounts. We'll need to assess your creditworthiness for that.
Of course, I understand. What documents do I need to provide for the loan application?
Typically, we'll need proof of income, identification documents, and possibly bank statements. I can provide you with a checklist to ensure you have everything ready.
That would be helpful, thank you. Also, are there any fees associated with applying for the loan?
There may be some administrative fees involved, but we'll go over all the details before processing your application. Transparency is important to us.
I appreciate that. Can you give me an estimate of the interest rate for the loan?
The interest rate will depend on several factors, including your credit score and the current market conditions. Once we have all your information, we can provide you with a personalized rate.
That makes sense. I'll gather all the necessary documents and come back to start the application process.
Sounds like a plan, Sophia. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need assistance along the way.
Thank you, Gabriel. I appreciate your help and look forward to working with you on this loan. Oh, one more thing before I go. Do you offer any special financing options or incentives for energy-efficient home improvements?
Yes, we do. We have special financing programs for eco-friendly renovations, such as solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and insulation upgrades. These programs often come with lower interest rates and extended repayment terms.
That's fantastic to hear. I'm definitely interested in exploring those options further. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome, Sophia. It's always a pleasure to assist our customers in achieving their financial goals. Let me know when you're ready to discuss the details of your renovation project, and we can explore the best financing options for you.
That sounds fantastic, Gabriel. I'm really passionate about making my home more environmentally friendly, and it's reassuring to know that Space Bank supports initiatives like this.
Absolutely, Sophia. We believe in promoting sustainability and supporting our customers' efforts to reduce their carbon footprint. Investing in energy-efficient upgrades not only benefits the environment but also helps you save money on utility bills in the long run.
That's exactly what I'm aiming for. A win-win situation for both me and the planet. I've been researching different eco-friendly options, and I'm excited to incorporate them into my renovation plans.
I'm glad to hear that, Sophia. If you need any assistance or advice on selecting the right eco-friendly products or materials for your home, feel free to reach out to me. I have access to resources and experts who can provide valuable insights and recommendations.
Thank you, Gabriel. I'll definitely take you up on that offer. It's reassuring to know that I have a knowledgeable partner like Space Bank to guide me through this process.
It's my pleasure, Sophia. Our goal is to make the loan application and home renovation process as smooth and stress-free as possible for our customers. We're here to support you every step of the way.
That's incredibly reassuring, especially considering that this is my first time undertaking a project of this scale. I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed, to be honest.
It's completely understandable, Sophia. Renovating a home can be a daunting task, but with careful planning and the right support network, it can also be a rewarding experience. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to help you navigate through any challenges that may arise.
Thank you for the encouragement, Gabriel. It means a lot to me. I'm feeling much more confident now knowing that I have Space Bank by my side.
You're welcome, Sophia. Building strong relationships with our customers and providing exceptional service is what sets us apart at Space Bank. Your satisfaction and success are our top priorities.
I can definitely see that. I've already been impressed by the level of professionalism and dedication I've experienced today. It's clear that Space Bank truly values its customers.
Thank you for your kind words, Sophia. We take great pride in exceeding our customers' expectations and building long-lasting relationships based on trust and reliability. If there's anything else I can assist you with, please don't hesitate to let me know.
I certainly will, Gabriel. For now, I'll start gathering the necessary documents and researching eco-friendly renovation options. Once I'm ready, I'll reach out to discuss the next steps in more detail.
Sounds like a plan, Sophia. I look forward to hearing from you soon. In the meantime, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact me at any time.
Thank you again, Gabriel. I truly appreciate your support and guidance. Have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome, Sophia. It's been a pleasure assisting you today. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.
As Sophia expresses her gratitude for Gabriel's support and guidance, she sets off feeling empowered and reassured. Through Space Bank's commitment to customer satisfaction and their dedication to environmental sustainability, Sophia's journey towards a greener, more comfortable home is not just a personal endeavor, but a shared vision. With Space Bank by her side, Sophia embarks on her renovation project with confidence, knowing that she has a trusted partner to guide her every step of the way. This conversation serves as a testament to the importance of personalized financial solutions and the value of building strong relationships with clients, leaving the audience inspired and informed about the possibilities that lie ahead in their own financial journeys.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.